Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the contact list. But first of all, the quick disclaimer, we will have two different ways of blocking the number. The first one is by using the contacts, so the numbers which are currently saved on your contact list, and the second is by using the, let's say, dialer settings. And of course, I'll show you both, and let's begin with the contacts. So let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and let's tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the information that this number is right now blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So the second way to block a number is, as I said, by using the settings. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on the block numbers, which should be in the general section, so let's enter. And as you can see, here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. And here we can add the number manually, which simply means that we don't have to have the numbers saved on our contacts. We can just enter it manually, so let's tap on it, tap on the phone number here, and we can enter it. So let's tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the block list. What's more, we've got the option unknown right here, which simply means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers, which is quite cool, and I think it may be quite useful. So it's of course up to you. You can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on the X button right next to it and confirm it with unblock. So basically that's all. This is how to unblock the number in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.